Koalas look like the cutest animals on the planet. They are also the most sexually reckless. Up to 90% of wild koalas are infected with chlamydia. Not a small outbreak, not a bad year, 90%, basically the entire species. It's so bad that in some parts of Australia, vets have to treat koalas the same way doctors treat college students after spring break. The disease is destroying them. It causes blindness, infertility, and a condition locals just call dirty tail. We don't need to explain that one. The species is going functionally extinct in certain regions, not because of hunting, not because of deforestation, because they cannot stop. The cutest animal in Australia is also its most irresponsible. Nature made them look innocent. It was a lie. Follow me for more. Bye!